All right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, bro. Preparing launch control. Ready? Active.
Oh my God! What the? Hold on, let's feel the.
Oh my! Oh! Yo, chill!
All right, so it is currently 11:37, aka time to go for a drive in the G80. So I'm sure you guys probably do this same thing, but I like to go on late night drives. I used to do it back when I had my 435, and now I'm trying to do it more with the G80 M3. Just trying to like really enjoy this car while I still have it. So we're not gonna go crazy, but and who knows, maybe we'll do a few launches, and maybe we'll get Stick's reaction to the G80 competition X-Drive launch, because let me tell you guys, this car launches pretty hard and pretty aggressive. The X-Drive system just makes this thing launch off the line. But before we even get started, let's do a cold start. So we're still on a factory exhaust, so it's really not that loud, but just for fun. Yeah, we desperately need an exhaust for this car. It's just too quiet. It's fun, it's fast, but it feels like a Tesla with how quiet it is. But anyways, this is Sticks. If you guys don't know him, like I said in the beginning of the video, there he is, yeah.
What's up, man?
Just keep posing. I'm gonna just hold it like this and just let you keep on posing.
Man, put me on Instagram, man.
Yo, he went Michael Jackson on us. He's gonna be my cameraman / you guys will get like a POV video of this whole thing. If you guys wanna see that, go to his channel.
Bro, I'm mad black, bro. Damn, you can't even see me.
No, it's because the light,
What's
yeah.
up, man?
Yeah, or else, look, just show you guys what it would look like without the light. This is what we would look like. This actually isn't that bad, but it could be better with the light.
Definitely.
All right, let's hop inside the car, bro, because like, yo, it's cold, guys. It is legit. It is legit cold.
80,000 seat there.
Yeah, so I don't cry anymore.
Damn, who be sitting here, bro?
Oh, I had to move it because the car seat.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, sorry, man. Yeah, if you guys didn't know, Sticks is a tall dude.
Kinda.
Kinda. He was like 6'4", man.
Alright.
I used to think I was tall until I gotta stop becoming friends with you tall guys. You got the GoPro.
Yeah, we here, man.
Go to his video, check out the different perspective. But you're gonna hold the camera.
I got you.
But yeah, anyways, we'll switch it and we'll go for some drives. We'll do some polls. Like, we'll probably go on the highway in Mexico. We're driving all the way in Mexico, by the way.
Yeah.
Just letting you know right now. We'll do some polls on the highway. And then I want to, if we can, I know a spot where we can do like a launch. Yo guys, shout out to Sticks for this lens right now. I'm just borrowing it. Or maybe I'll steal it. No, I'm joking.
You can have it.
Bro, this thing is crazy. Look how wide this is. All right, this is gonna be clutch. Well, you guys don't want to see my face. I'm ugly. All right, so I'm gonna hand the camera over to Sticks. And we're about to go, not crazy, but we'll have some fun. Yeah, I like to keep the windows down sometimes because your boy can't see.
Holy shit! Yo! Oh shit! Oh man! What the heck?
Bro, that was in comfort.
That was in comfort?
That was in comfort.
Man, this thing is crazy.
So, for those of you guys who watch my channel, you don't watch Six's channel, one, what are you doing? Go to Six's channel.
Facts.
But also, he drove the M3, and everyone was roasting him, bro. It was hilarious.
Yeah.
They were like, yo, stop driving that car like a Camry.
All day.
And it sticks to the fence, bro. When you're driving someone else's car, it's intimidating because, like, it's not your car. You don't know it as well. You don't want something to go wrong, because if something goes wrong in your car, it's like, whatever, you know, you live with it, or you fix it. But if you mess up something on someone else's car, like, but you never really got to like really experience the car.
Yeah, stop clowning me, telling me I stop driving like a grandpa, bro. It's not my car, man. Bro. This is a $100,000 car. Imagine if something breaks, bro.
Well, actually, let's do this. We're gonna go into M mode. Let's go sport, and we'll do M1.
I heard the change right there.
Yeah. So we're in M1. So we got Sport Plus engine. I don't know, like, you know, power. You guys know what I mean. Sport Plus chassis, so suspension, sport steering, and we have comfort brakes. The brakes on this car gets like really touchy, so, and we're automatic. I have my M2 set up as manual MDM. So this is full traction control on, and it being automatic. So this is like, kind of like chilling, you know, like you want to go faster, but you don't want to go crazy. But then my M2 is like set up to be,
oh my God. Yo, this shit's crazy. Nah, bro, what in the world?
So we're gonna burn some gas tonight. Hold on, let's feel the.
Yo, chill! What in the world?
Bro,
nah, this is so scary.
Wait. Hold on.
Oh my God. Yo, I can't even control this camera, bro. Yo, what the?
Tell me this thing doesn't handle like it's on rails here in Mexico.
Yeah, we're in Mexico right now. God, bro, why would you want anything faster than this, bro?
Yeah, this is plenty powerful. If you guys been watching my channel, like we've been doing a lot of aesthetic stuff, but I didn't want to tune it because like I want to enjoy it now.
Yeah.
And then when I tune it, it's like you remember what it felt like.
And then you'll really know, like,
yeah, and then you'll really
difference.
appreciate it. Like I think you gotta upgrade your car in stages. That's what I think. Like, don't just get a car. Well, actually, you did that. You went straight to stage 2.
Bro, I bet I was saving up for so long. I said, whoop, bought everything.
This again, M1 I set up to be like the quick, you know, fun driving, and then M2 is really like the, like you actually want to like get into it. I might do M2 later on as like 2-wheel drive. I don't know.
Have you put it in?
I still haven't put it into 2-wheel drive because like I want to get, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm no race car driver. I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
I'm just a dude who likes cars, so I don't want to pretend like I know what I'm doing and then go and crash my car. I'm just being realistic. All right, you ready?
Yeah. Oh my oh my God, what is going on right now? You. Oh my God.
Hold on. Should we like do some corners or nah?
It's up to you, bro. I'm just here enjoying the ride. Oh my God, bro. I'm scared, bro. Oh, how does it feel though? It feels good.
Bro, it feels like a video game. Yeah, anyways, I know I'm not pushing the car crazy, but you know.
Bro, what? This thing is moving, bro. I don't know what you talking about.
Bro, yo, you go in the car with Mike?
Oh, nah, I don't know.
Bro,
if he drives more crazy than this, bro, I'll forget it, bro. I'm scared, bro.
Now you get like the benefits of the carbon buckets, right? Like this thing.
Yeah, this thing really holds you, for real.
Yeah, like this thing.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie, it's mad dark in here though. I thought my tints was dark, but
that's what I'm saying. I gotta like.
Oh my God. Yeah, we wasting some gasolina today, bro.
So that was just a little taste, little taste of what this car can do here in Mexico.
Oh my God, this thing is crazy. Oh man, yo, man, I need one, bro.
Bro, you gotta get one. You gotta get one. This thing is like
amazing.
You guys absolutely love this car. This thing is, it really is next level. And then when you're driving like that, these carbon buckets, man, they come in clutch. If you guys are gonna drive like that, honestly, get these carbon buckets. Here's a better look at the DRLs. Bro, imagine seeing this thing like come up from behind. Bro, it looks so crazy. It just looks so aggressive now with all the stuff that I've done to it. We gotta lower it.
Yeah, because the back, I feel like the amount that is lower right now, it's like not bad at all.
Nah,
I think it's just like
front.
the front.
Yeah, it's just the front. The front is, that's a little questionable. The front, the rear though, that's honestly pretty good. It's good because we want to be able to drive this car. This is a spoiler, by the way, I just installed. This thing looks sick. Yeah, check it out. Let me know what you think. You see what I mean? Like, look, it sits like right over here on the edge. Like, it looks like a ducktail.
Yeah.
Bro, I love it. It looks sick.
Nice. It's thick, too.
Yeah, she thick.
She got that thick, buddy.
Yeah, anyways, so that was fun so far. I still want to try to do a launch. We need to find a good spot here in Mexico to do a launch. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, bro. Preparing launch control active. Oh my God! What the? What? Yo! No, I was not expecting that. Did this thing like spin a little bit, even though it was an all-wheel drive? I was not expecting that at all,
bro.
I heard the tires.
Bro,
that has like spinning in all-wheel drive, bro. That's not much power.
In the car's defense, the tires are probably still cold. Even with the driving that we did, it's a cold night.
Yeah, it definitely is.
But bro, tell me that wasn't crazy.
Bro,
though.
That was crazy.
Yo.
It was not what I expected it to be. Yo, imagine this thing loud too once you get the exhaust.
Bro, that's what I'm saying.
This thing is, oh my God, but you have a monster in your hands, bro. Like, this thing is...
It's dramatic. It's just gotta like have the theatrics.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
it's gotta
yeah,
have like the intake induction. It's gotta have like the turbo whistles.
Yeah.
The exhaust. Like once it has all that and you're going fast and it feels fast.
Then it's gonna really like...
Bro,
amazing.
I'm telling you, man, it's gonna be sick. All right, let's go. We do a few highway pulls and.
What the heck, bro? Oh my God, this thing. Yo,
it climbs. That was 60 miles per hour very quickly.
Yeah, it goes up 0 to 60 on this thing is quick, man.
Yeah, that was 60.
Definitely. 60 miles per hour.
You hear the pops?
Yeah, I hear a little bit.
Is that something like maybe oh, there's a Mustang.
Oh.
He's not even gonna.
Nah, he's not even. Oh my god, bro.
Oh my goodness, the power delivery is so linear. It's so nice.
Oh my god, this thing like brings the camera towards me, bro. That's like, I swear, like I feel the heaviness like hit my arm.
Bro,
yeah, I feel the heaviness like torque hit my arm and pulling the freaking camera towards me, bro. Yes,
all right,
sir.
one last one, guys. One last one
right here. Yeah. Bro, oh my god, I'm so scared. I don't know why, bro, but I'm scared, bro.
You ready?
I was gonna say, you better put them bright thingy on because I can't see.
Test the brakes.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
Yo, he's different now. He's different. He's actually enjoying his car now.
All right, guys. Well, we're gonna end it there before we push our luck a little too much.
Yeah, right.
We tested the suspension, we tested the acceleration, and we tested the brakes. Everything works, so that's good. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Huge shout out to Sticks for coming out.
I had a blast.
Yeah, it was honestly, it was fun. It was legit fun. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you drop it a like. It really helps me out. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And with that said, guys, this video is pretty much done, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Oh,
What is it?
Oh, it's just like a basic.
Nah,
never mind.
That's not even worth the gas.